Hey guys, Dan here with DRW Auto Sales, here today to show you our 2004 Chevy Trailblazer LS. This little car only has 70,000 miles on it. Fantastic to find a car of this age with miles like that. Lovingly driven by only 2 owners, clean CarFax. She comes out of Florida, so we don't have to worry about all those rust issues that you get from those northern vehicles. We're asking $69.95 plus tax, tag, and title. That would put you at right at $7,500 out the door. We have no hidden fees at DRW. We charge you for the car and for what Georgia charges you. And that's pretty much it. So $7,500 out the door, no surprises, no fees. This car has a 3,000 mile, 3-month powertrain warranty that we put on her. Beautifully clean, non-smoker. She smells great, she looks great. Come and see it. Make an appointment to come see us today. Visit our website, drwautosales.com, or find us on Facebook. We have a huge gallery of high-res photos we can show you there, and we'd love to show it to you. So come and see us. Thanks for your time. See you later.